Device assembly. Remove battery. With the device face down and closed, remove the back cover by inserting your thumbnail into the notch on the bottom left of the back of the device and lifting up. To remove the battery, gently pull from the notch on the top of the battery. Remove or insert SIM. If a SIM is not in the device, the missing SIM icon will display in the notification bar. Insert the Nano SIM card into the SIM slot with the metal contacts facing down and the notched edge going in first. Push until it is all the way in. To remove, press down on the tab to the right of the SIM card slot, then slide it out. Remove or insert SD card. For additional storage, insert an optional micro SD card up to 32 GB into the device. With the back cover and battery removed, slide the micro SD card into the micro SD card tray, with the gold contacts facing down and the notched edge going in first. Push until it is all the way in. To remove, press on the tab to the left of the micro SD card slot, then slide it out. Insert battery. Place the battery in the battery slot with the gold contacts on the battery lined up with the gold contacts on the phone. Place the cover on the back of the phone and gently push in until the cover clicks. The cover should be flush with the rest of the device.